Hello and welcome to the Cordell Contact Center Supervisor demonstration. This will be a quick demonstration of some of the extra features that a supervisor has as opposed to a traditional agent in the contact center space. We've already done the demonstration on the agent experience, so hopefully you got to see that, but this is the desktop that they use. Up above you have, of course, all of your call control functions such as dial and transfer and conferencing capabilities. You also have D&D capabilities and notifications and queue, views, etc. And the supervisors usually have this console here. This is a great little piece of technology that allows them to see what's going on in real time with the agents that belong to their team or their skill sets. Color-coded applications are very easy to pick and choose what's going on with a particular agent. So if they're in green, that usually means they're in ready state. If they're red, they're usually in a busy state, etc. And I can go in and do particular functions. So let's say I have an inbound call and I want to transfer a call to that particular agent. All I have to do is click this little button right here, transfer to Joe. It's not a big heavy experience at all. All I do is a one button transfer and it immediately transfers that call there, and I can set it to either a warm or supervised transfer or a blind transfer. The other thing I can do is I can just call this person directly. So if I want to, I can just highlight the little icon and just call Joe and talk to him real quick. And I also have the capability to look at agent chats as well. As a supervisor, I have the capability, if I'm allowed to coach particular people. I can listen in on this particular agent. I can also whisper to Joe so that he can only hear me and the caller cannot hear me. And I also have the capability to barge in and do into the call so that we're all talking with each other. And then, of course, if I need to, I can escalate and take that call completely away. So there's really a great coaching capability for quality assurance and agent training, and helps me as a supervisor. If I have view of lots of agents in the larger call centers, this is really great because I can actually go search for a particular agent just by using a keyboard-friendly search, and it literally filters to that search so I can easily find Joe in real time. Or if I say, hey, I just want to see everybody in the sales queue because I want to see what they're doing and how they're doing from a agent performance perspective, I can filter by that as well. Now what's great is I can also change the size of this thing. So if I've got lots of agents and I want to see them all, and let's say I'm an operator console, for example, and you're a contact center that wants to have a human answer the phone first and then transfer the right person, this dashboard is perfect for that because as calls come in, they can see exactly who's available. It doesn't matter what geographic location they're in, they can transfer to that person and see their status in real time. And then, of course, I can reduce the size of that board to so I can see the rest of my application widgets as necessary. I can also filter for people that are not online and only show the people that are logged in. So lots of really nice filters from that particular perspective. If I have a lot of agents, I can even go full screen and see the whole dashboard in real-time view, and then click back and come back to that. So from a supervisory perspective, I've got lots of capabilities available to me. Also, supervisors have access to these monitors, so you can actually filter in the configuration what they have access to on the menu, so that maybe you want them to have this wallboard or you want them to have the ACD console so that they can drag and drop people in and out of queues. And if you watch the admin demonstration, you'll see how powerful that is to drag people in and out of queues and filter that as well. So that's a little bit about the supervisor capabilities. Again, they also have all the same capabilities as a regular agent, as well as additional functions that you've allowed them to do. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and